Hello and welcome. This message is to absolutely everybody that's involved with Master Affiliate Profits. I don't care if you enrolled through my link or if you enrolled through somebody else and are already a member of Master Affiliate Profits. Today, in a moment, I'm going to introduce you to my business partner who's been working with me for more than 30 years. And when you meet Jay, you're going to meet an individual that's actually world famous. He is one of the fathers of neuro linguistic programming, NLP. And he's one of the coaches that is an integral part of my Master Affiliate Profits team. Today, Jay is going to talk to you about a unique revenue stream that we are incorporating into our Master Affiliate Profits business. And as you know, I've offered some exceptional business bonuses when people joined my MAP team. Now I'm extending that offer to all of you. Every single person that's a member of Master Affiliate Profits can gain access to my Groove Funnels 10-part viral funnel that's been created by Mike Phil Sames' Groove Agency team. You'll get that funnel. You'll get all of the AI traffic systems just by simply taking us up on the offer that Jay is going to present to you. So if you're interested, the links will be below the video in the comment section. You can check it out. There'll also be a way to reach out to me and you can ask me any questions. We're an open book. We don't hide behind email addresses. And yesterday, just to let you know, on our online platform, we did a sessions call and we had dozens upon dozens of individuals on that call and joining what you're about to see. And this is, in my opinion, a license to print money utilizing your existing Master Affiliate Profits platform. Take it away, Jay, my long-term partner, Jay Sargeant.
Hey, I'm Jay Sargent. They call me Coach Jay. I am Dory O'Neill's partner in this program that we love that you're in called MAP. And from the day we saw it, we said, oh my goodness, this is such an extraordinary opportunity because traffic and lead generation is basically the most important component of entrepreneurial development. And we've both, the two of us, built worldwide organizations, massive organizations, people, 500,000 people in a group, the whole nine yards. And so we know that in the modern world, getting your hands around targeted, qualified leads in a cost-effective way is the engine that really builds businesses. From the beginning, we understood that this would be a two-step or a three-step process, that we would make money like you're going to make money in MAP, but very importantly, we were going to find the perfect vehicles where those MAP leads would give us an edge in developing secondary income streams. And indeed, right away, as fate would have it, we have found the perfect vehicle for us, and we believe for you. We found a company in pre-launch called Nelo Life because we are very large in the home-based business development space. We were given a top position before it began. We were hard coded into the company before even the links to grow the business existed. And now, today, Nelo Life is launching. Listen to this, worldwide in 120 to 150 countries, all concomitantly, all at the exact same time, in their currencies, in their languages, with a virtual membership program that is stunningly cost affordable in a compensation structure that is just incredibly generous. I mean, get in touch with us immediately. Minutes matter because it's all happening right now. And the leadership, sometimes you join something and the leadership, the owners of the business, the senior executives in the business from afar. You've read their resume. In this particular instance, both Dory and I have spent the last year of our life in a business relationship with these individuals, and they are articulate, authentic, and charismatic. And the movement that we're starting with that you can take your map leads and get ahead of is 150,000 to 250,000 people worldwide waiting for this moment. The product in the membership is extraordinary. It's a combination of travel, transformation, trading, all kinds of really cool stuff. So our end user, our consumer is going to love it. So we're going to take our map leads and create an enormous base of consumers, but we're also going to take a very large portion of them and put them into the business development cycle. You have the same opportunity right now as Dory and I. So get back to us. We'll get you more information, but this is really exciting. I've been doing this for 4 decades. I have never seen what is about to transpire. This will be the fastest growing entrepreneurial effort of all time, and you're meeting it on the day it begins. It just can't get better than this.
Thanks, Jay. You sensed a sense of urgency in Jay's voice. Well, I hope you sense that urgency in my voice. Don't miss out on this. Check out the links. Go and look at what we're talking about. Between Jay and I, we've worked with more than 1 million people worldwide. Jay's company and my company, the company we own together, we paid out $240 million in commissions over a 2-decade period of time. We believe that we are going to pay you money that is greater than what we were able to generate for others in the past. This opportunity requires timing, your timing. Getting in soon means that you're going to get first in advantage. Take that advantage. Act now. Check out the links. Reach out to us, and we'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits and Nelo Life. Goodbye.